how to upload HD high quality video on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upload HD high quality videos on TikTok, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First, open your TikTok app and then go to the plus icon on the bottom. There, choose a video that you want to post, tap on it, tap on next. Now, after making all the changes and edits you want, tap on next, and there you'll see more options. Tap on it. Now make sure allow high quality uploads is toggled on. Keep in mind that this may take a bit longer to process, but it's worth it for the HD quality. Once you've done that, you can tap on post by putting in the description that you want, and that's it. Now your video will be uploaded in HD quality. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.